yakni benta jongga kubor la OneRaj P daga fatafat online shopping store.
Director ke DHSMI Dr. Amanwar hene ke janmit kapratalik unai tung ulai tu baga jingwat ya kibriu kibayakan do ya kisap huwai ngut Kiba Leit Iathoh Sha Greenwood Resort Khanapara hak afnyo terik ujar liau kadang ya syakman habaikan bagi long thok kubor Dr. War ulai tu ba hadu menta kidan hadu afulai ngut ki high risk contact na unong pang ubaningkong ubalayo positif na kani ke jinglei Iathoh kat bagi dan afulai ngut ki high risk contact na unong pang ubaar ubalalit sya kani ke jinglei Iathoh ulai Iathoh bakini ki anut ki bayo ya ke jingpang COVID-19 kidan menta Shillong Civil Hospital kat ba ki live hukundai ngut ki bai pat Kiba Leit Sha Khanapara kidan hapo quarantine center ha Sauli.
And from these, we have got 2 positive cases who have attended. They are in civil hospital now. Contact tracing for both of them has been done. The first one we have got positive. We have already got 23 high-risk cases where samples have been taken and they've been asked to be quarantined. But there will be more. There will be much more. And the second positive case from this wedding is 21, and we are expecting more. And our team is still there at the ground and doing the tracing as of now, even right now also.